I got Nintendo Switch motherboard, and as you can see guys, they have issue on the USB uh, port. It's like all the pad is broken, so the customer try to fix his switch by himself. So something like that, unfortunately I don't work on it because all the pad broken, and they take a lot of time and maybe fixable or is not fixable. But I got this magic tools from companies called Rapid Traces. This ribbon cables is look like to fix the USB port or all the damage for the pad. So I never used it before, but I will try to use it this time. So let's do it. But before I do it, if this is the first time you watch me, I fix video games and computers. So don't forget to give me like, subscribe or follow. And as you can see guys, this ribbon cable should be connect like that and flip it on the board. But let's do it on the microscope. So I just need to show you guys all the pad, it's broken at all. And as you can see guys, this ribbon cables should be connect like that. And it should be working. So let's do it. So I will start with this side. So I need to connect it like that. So first I make a joint here. Also I make a joint to the filters, and they have 2 points here. Also I solder them. The second thing, I put aluminum tape here to protect from heat. So let's go to the last step. They have 3 points, you need to solder them. First one here, second here, and the last one is here. And all the pad got also solder. The new USB also got some solder. So let's solder 420 and let's do it. It looks like everything perfect. So let's clean before test it. And also don't forget to clean this side. Everything should be perfect, and I have a tester battery to test if this board it's back to working. Let's connect the USB port and see. The USB port connect. Let's see. Yes, we have something, but let's see if the board is turned on. And yes, it looks like this board fixed. Thank you so much, Rapid Traces. I put the link on the description if you like guys to buy this product. Also, I will try to sell this product on my shop. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, please leave a comment.